Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to find out maximum sale year-wise. We have the drop down. If you select 2022, you will have the maximum sales representative name. So we have the drop down for the year. How we can solve this problem? First, we have to find out maximum sale. How we can find out maximum sale? We have a function Maxifs. Maxifs, you have to select maximum range, comma. Now criteria range 1, you have to select the criteria, comma. You have to select the year. So maximum sale you are getting. But now the question is how to reach the maximum sales representative. So, we have to create virtual array. So how do we create the virtual array? So, guys, we can use index function. You can select year and you can concatenate with the sale. And you can mention row and column 0 or blank. This is actually the virtual array we have created. How can you say that it's virtual array? Because if you open this, you can see that virtual array with year and sales we have created. So let me use clipboard and this is my virtual array. Control C. And what should I do now to find out or to reach the maximum sales representative? You can use index function. Inside index, you have to mention the F column data, which is your sales representative. Now you have to use match function. What are you going to find out? 2019 and sale. So that means year is first. So B2 is my year. That should be concatenated with this maximum sale, comma, that you're looking for. You can use the clipboard, that virtual array, comma, 0. That's all. And you are getting the answer. Guys, this maximum sale, we can copy and you can go to this formula. That's reference is B5. You go there. B5 you can replace with this reference. And now you're getting this answer. Let me erase it. How can you validate 2018 is that? So you can filter with 2018 maximum sale. And see that, guys, maximum sale, we have this. And this is the person, which is matching. Now, if you go to 2022, the maximum sale is 24994. And the person is Sarge. 2022, Sarge. So let's see 2022, Sarge. I'm getting the right answer. So let me copy this formula for your reference. And you can see that how this formula works. So right, this is the formula which we are using to find out the maximum sales representative. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, like, subscribe, and share my channel.